You belong and you need to welcome yourself home. You need to embrace your true essence and really reconnect with your inner self and return to a state of inner peace, love, authenticity, and all of this resides in you. Home is really a place of belonging, safety, and acceptance. And this can happen within yourself and within the universe. You need to encourage yourself and acknowledge and embrace all that you are, all aspects of you. And this includes your strengths, your weaknesses, your vulnerabilities, all experiences that you've ever had on this specific journey in this specific lifetime. You need to let go of self-judgment, criticism, and you really need to allow space of love and compassion into your day-to-day life in order to do this. You need to nurture a relationship with yourself and realize that you are worthy of love outside of yourself. You are worthy of acceptance outside of yourself. Because if you don't love yourself and you don't accept yourself, then who the heck else is? And yes, this process involves healing past trauma, healing past wounds, releasing limited beliefs, and really also forgiving yourself on any shortcomings, any perceived notions that you weren't enough. And once you got that, you have a connection to the greater whole, the greater oneness, the greater universe. And just as your actual home is really a safe haven, a sanctuary, your inner self also serves as a home and serves as refuge from the chaos of the outside world. You need to welcome yourself home, and align with your higher self, align with your guides, your divine essence of who you are. And this alignment is going to automatically shift you and create a deeper connection to the universe, reminding you that you are something more. You are something so large, and you are interconnected with everything around you, everyone around you. So may you provide yourself with belonging, provide yourself with home, because this is really going to encourage you to cultivate a special awareness. And this is going to allow you to honor your unique path, your purpose, your whole understanding on self-acceptance. And once you accept everything that you've done in order to get to this spot, you will be able to analyze what you would like to keep in this home and what you would like to get rid of. And that's the challenge for today. What do you want to release and what do you want to keep moving forward? We are going through such a transformative era right now. We are releasing all trauma, all human trauma, not just this lifetime, all human trauma. And we are doing the work. But in order to do the work, we have to release first and then allow love and abundance into those voids in order to move forward, into this 5D consciousness new earth. You are going to open yourself to so many possibilities, opportunities, and it's really going to allow you to be at peace and exist in harmony with the rest of the planet. And this is your daily message for today. I really hope this resonated, and if this helps you in any way, definitely give me a thumbs up. I do daily messages Monday through Friday, so definitely hit subscribe to get more messages like this. Again, my name is CG from the Galactic Soul, and I challenge you to remember to be yourself.